Hi, this is Beth with your little bit of Beth for today. I want to talk to you about how, when you're in a meeting, you know when a decision's been made. How do you even know whether the conversation you're engaged in with someone is about decision making, is about just getting your input and your feedback so they can consider what to do with it? Or if it's simply just verbal processing, that maybe because of their learning style, that's how they need to assess and process information to move closer to understanding how they feel, what they believe, what their course of action is going to be around a challenge or an issue or a problem or even a current event. And frequently, we engage in these types of conversations with people, and we don't even know what they're hoping or expecting our role will be in what they're delivering and thinking about. So what do you do about that? In the Navigating Challenging Dialogue Leadership Certification and in the monthly mastermind and teaching sessions that happen after the certification training, we talk a lot about labeling and asking for what it is you need and want from the people you're engaging with. So I don't know about you, but there's been a bunch of times when I've left a meeting thinking that we made a decision. I even might take action upon that based on the fact that I believe we made a decision. And then later, something occurs and somebody says, why did you take action on that? Or why did you invest in that? And I say, oh, because we decided that, didn't we? And they say, oh, no, I didn't think we were making a decision. I thought we were just having a conversation. I didn't think we made a decision. I thought I was just getting feedback and understanding how you feel about it so I could consider it further. This is one of the ways, lack of clarity around what type of conversation we're engaging in. It's one of the key ways that organizations waste time, create drama, and stir up chaos. So the next time you are engaging in a conversation with someone and you're not exactly sure what they're asking from you, what they want your role to be, what they need from you, ask, hey, what are we doing here right now? Just so I know. Are we making a joint decision? Are you just running some ideas by me? Are you asking me for feedback? What's happening? It will help you really begin to, a term I don't care for, manage up. It'll help you be able to prioritize your time. It'll help you be more easeful because you're not going to be trying to scramble to come up with an answer or a solution when you're not even being asked for one. So think about that today as you go through conversations, dialogues, and meetings. And remember, questions are the best way to know what the expectations are for you, how you're going to use your time effectively, and how you're going to move forward in the future. All right, so this is Beth with your little bit of Beth. Hey, and I'm hoping to see lots of you folks at the Navigating Challenging Dialogue Skills Training. It's going to be happening in Worcester, Mass. in July. So go to navigatingchallengingdialogue.com. Take a look at the dates. And if you want to bring this workshop to your staff or your location, give us an email at support@bethwanson.com. We can't wait to bring the Navigating Challenging Dialogue movement to you. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye.